Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed prawns with preserved radish or 菜脯蒸虾. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll prepare the sauce for the prawns. Heat up a wok using medium-low heat. Don't turn the heat up too high. Add in approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We don't have to wait for the oil to be hot. Add in 5 grams of young ginger, minced finely like this. Put them all in. We'll add in also 50 grams of preserved radish. Make sure you rinse it a few times because they are very salty. Okay? And you can actually taste a little bit to make sure that they are not too salty. Alright, we'll add them in also. I'm using the Chinese preserved radish. Traditionally, these are all salted. So we'll slowly fry them together. This will take a little bit of time, but this will be very delicious. Don't turn up the heat too high. We will just want to extract the flavor out from all these beautiful ingredients. Remember to keep stirring them. For this dish, please do use the salted radish because if you use the Thai sweet radish, it will be way too sweet. We'll fry this for approximately 3 minutes or so before we add in our garlic. Fry until we can smell the fragrance coming out from the ginger before we add in our garlic. Now this sauce is very versatile. You can use this like what we are doing now with our prawns and glass noodles, or you can just spread them on fish, steam them on any kind of seafood. Not a problem at all. You can start to see that the salted radish is jumping around. That means this is almost done. And then I can start to smell the beautiful fragrance from the ginger. I've been frying this for about 3 minutes. Now we're adding our garlic. Add in about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic chopped. Put everything in. Fry them until fragrant. Remember, don't turn up the heat too high. Medium-low will be easy. Same thing over here. Fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes until we can smell the beautiful fragrance from the garlic. Remember to keep stirring them. Alright, we don't want to burn this. Now if it's a bit too dry, you can add in a little bit more oil. It will be easier to fry with a little bit more oil, but not too much because we don't want the dish to be too oily. This dish is requested by one of our viewers. We hope he or she will like this. Okay, you can see that the oil is actually seeping out of the radish, all this. Okay, like this. We'll add in sugar. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And just to have that beautiful dark hue, half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix them up well. This is going to be so good. Once you have mixed them up well, we'll just scoop them up and leave them to cool down before we place this over our prawns. I'll see you back in a while. Now we're going to prepare our prawns. I have with me over here half a kilogram of prawns. Very beautiful large prawns like this. Approximately 10 pieces. Okay, we're just going to trim off the fillers, the feet, and open this up using a pair of scissors. I'm going to show you how I do this. First, we'll trim off part of the prawn head like this. The sharp spike over here, you can just cut this off. Turn it to the underside here. The fillers, the legs, we'll cut all this off. And also this part too. Once you're done with this, we'll turn it to the other side. Make sure that the scissors you're using have a sharp point like this. Stick it in the middle of the prawn like this. Alright, and then we just snip away. Once you're done with this, just pry this open a little bit. We are going to get rid of this black vein inside here. Okay, basically some of the prawns have this, some don't have. This one has it. Now the black colored thing like this, we just pull this out. Okay, continue to finish up the rest of the prawns and I'll show you the next step after this. Now we lay our prawns and our glass noodles before we steam them. I have with me over here, before soaking, 100 grams of glass noodles. I've soaked them for about 20 minutes or until soft like this. We'll lay them on the plate, on our steaming plate. Now if you do not have glass noodles, you can use enoki mushroom, no problem at all. Just spread them up a little bit. I like to prop up this side because I want the head of the prawns to be facing in one direction. And for the rest, I'll just spread them out thinly. Once you're done with this, we'll place our prawns. I'm going to place 5 per side, like this. You can place in however design that you like. Something like this will be good. Now all we have to do is just to spread our preserved radish sauce over here, right, over the prawns. Don't have to cover up everything, right? Just spread them on the prawns. It's going to be so delicious. Now, of course, if you like it more spicy or a little bit spicier, you can always add in chili when you make the sauce. Once you're done with this, we'll boil some water and prepare to steam them. Now we are going to steam our prawns using medium-high to high heat. Make sure that the water is rapidly boiling like this. Place the prawns in. Cover this up. And because of the size of our prawns, I'm going to steam this for 6 minutes. If you are using smaller prawns, 4 to 5 minutes will be good. I'll see you back in a while. 6 minutes is up and the dish should be done. Let's have a look. Wow, beautiful. Turn off the flame. Now we'll just add a little bit of chopped scallion or chopped spring onions onto this dish, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really good. Let me try the glass noodles. Make sure you top a little bit of the preserved radish on top. You have this very nice, beautiful taste from the prawns, the sweetness from the prawns, plus the fragrance from the ginger, the garlic, the radish. This is really nice. Let me try the prawns now. Oh, prawns, crunchy, sweet. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, 好吃. Wow, the glass noodle really, really good.